Well, good morning, Fishin Chronicles. This is our maiden voyage, step number 2 to wading. Christopher, do you have a word for the Fishin Chronicle people?
When you gonna go wading when it's cooler, make sure you have a newer set of waders, because these are old and I'm having a difficult time putting them on, but we'll get there one way or another.
And he's hoping they don't leak.
I'm pretty sure they're gonna leak.
He's pretty sure they're gonna leak. It should be memorable, everybody. If you remember when we waded several weeks ago, we had a really good time. So we're up at Dam 4. So we're gonna see what that's all about. We'll be back with updates. All right, Fishin Chronicles, we are walking below dam number 4. This looks like a gravestone.
What?
This looks like a gravestone. Somebody died and was buried.
It's all part of, see all that's ledges that all run.
Here we are. Not nearly as much of a walk as we did the last time. And there's Dam 4, people. Somewhere or another, they say it's about 18 feet, but it looks about a 30-foot drop to me. All right, well, let's see what we're gonna do. See if I can stay dry today. Last time out, I fell within the first 1 minute of being in the water. Fishing at its best. Look at that sunrise through the haze. God's country. All we need, God, is a couple of fish to get on the end of that whopper plopper. Stay tuned. All right, Chris is on the board with the channel catfish, and I got a bird's nest I got to deal with. Slow day so far, Fishin Chronicles. Don't even think I've had a bite yet. Chris has caught 1 catfish. We're using the darter jig and a swim bait similar to like a Kitech. Fishin Chronicles. Oh yeah, nice fish. Yes. Now it's on.
Catfish. No, don't reel up that far.
Release some?
Just don't open the bail, strip the line off. Yes, yes. Okay, now you can just use your rod to move it. Just pull the rod, pull the fish with your rod. Let's see if I can. It's another kitty cat. Looks a lot like the one I caught, but it's not. You want to hold it?
Yeah, why not?
Yours, yeah, it's probably same size. Oh, you want to measure it? It's
about 20
to 21.
All right, Fishin Chronicles, what do you think? Got a little catty fish. Thank you, catty fish. Just walking down the bank. That's where we were at Dam 4. Nice little area.
Hey.
Woo-woo!
Yeah, that feels.
We got one Fishin Chronicles on Wacky.
That looks like it's got some good head shakes, dude.
That's definitely a smallie.
Check your drag. Yeah, well, don't. Yeah. I would not hold my rod like that.
Come here, buddy. Come here.
Nice.
Let's see. What do you think, Fishin Chronicles? Woo-woo! My fishing rod's going down the river. 16 inches. Making sure you boys and girls got a picture of the smallie. Pretty nice, 16 inches. Thank you, little buddy. You ready? You gonna swim?
Bite down on your finger.
Just a little bit. There he goes. He woke up.
When you
Fishin Chronicles.
get rot,
Come on, Fishin Chronicles. What do we got on here, ladies and gentlemen? What do we got? Are you kidding me?
I saw your line.
Are you kidding me?
I saw your line.
Oh my God. Well, Fishin Chronicles, it was an eventful day. I liked my waders. The problem is when you're wading, the rocks are very, very slippery. I went down 2 different times. The last time I got soaked. Foot, the feeties filled up with water. And I don't even know how Chris is actually wading, because his waders don't even hold the water out. He's got to be cold, but he's just such a die-hard fisher guy. Look at this guy. He's still out there. And he said we'd get done early today. Early for him is like 12 hours. But anyway, fishing was good. 2 catfish, 2 smallmouth bass. I had another smallmouth bass that I connected with but didn't bring in. And it was fun. But wading is a different element. But I'm glad I did it. Probably do it next in 2024. All right, Fish Chronicles, we're out.